Hello guys, welcome to Solid Tutorial. Now we shall see Java web application to perform file uploading and downloading operations. So following is the deployment data structure. Here I give the context root name. This is the context root name 65 up download web application, which contains upload1.html, and under this you will find web directory. Under this you will find web.xml, and lib contains these are the jars, cos, struts, upload bean, and the classes contains upload serv1.java and .class file. This web application contains, this is the flow of execution. If you observe this diagram, you will find a client machine contains a browser window, and on the browser window upload1.html file will be visible, and there you can find in this upload 1.html file contains two browse buttons and one submit button, and contains this diagram contains Tomcat server, contains deployed web application. So upload download web app contains upload serv1, which is a solid program. You take the help of Java Zoom API to perform file uploading. Whenever the user selects the selected file by using browse button, two files, and hit the submit button, at that time request will be sent to server. Server will trap that request. After trapping that request, and the same request has been sent to the servlet program. Servlet program will track that request. And with the help of the APIs we are used for Java Zoom API to perform file uploading, we'll write the files into server machine. And after taking the help of Java Zoom API, write the files into server machine. Taking example, this is the file system to my server. So on this file system, after writing this file system, then server sends the response to the browser window. Then here the browser window will receive the response. As a dynamic web page. This is the dynamic web page, and here is my dynamic web page. Okay, and this dynamic web page contains files. What are the files are uploaded? What are the files are uploaded? So those files will be displayed here. Suppose I selected here what are the files. Suppose take example image.jpg, and here file.txt. Okay guys, and this image.jpg, and you will find here, let me go here, file.txt. Okay guys, so image.jpg and file.txt files uploaded successfully. Fine. Then on the client machine you can able to download. So take an example, this is the end of my again I'm trying to what this bullshit sound. Okay guys, so here client machine file system. and here user can be able to download those files. Into take example c colon slash, I'm trying to like take example image.jpg as well as c colon slash, then file.txt. Okay guys, so user can be able to download these files and can able to get those contents on the local system. So this is the dynamic form page, and here is the arrow as a response. Let me go to the flow of execution, and here is my request. This is 1, then this is 2. Request has been trapped up by test upload srv1, which is a solid program, and here is my third program. This is my third step. In this third step you will find, in this third step, upload srv1 solid program uses Java Zoom API to perform file uploading. And the fourth step, in this fourth step, this is the fourth step. This fourth step, writes the files to server machine file system, and then send the response back to browser window. First of all, before sending, it needs to upload to the server. Then this is final response 6. So this is my response. This is the response. So let us create the Java web application. Let us proceed for Java web application. Okay guys, so before going to create Java web application, we shall see some of the basics about file uploading and downloading. What is the meaning of file uploading? So sending a file from local system to server machine system is called as file uploading. So while developing a application for educational sites or educational web application or matrimonial, we need to add file uploading and downloading facility to the application. So to perform file uploading through solid programming, we need to use Java Zoom API support. So we can download API related jar files from, you can go to here javazoom.net. So already I launched here, you can see here upload bean, and scroll down, you can download here. Either you hit here, either you click here, okay, otherwise you can scroll down and you can download here zip file. Okay, you can download here zip file. So click here download. So here you can click on download. So it is available on my desktop. So here you can see upload beans. When you upload beans, go to web.inf. Under this you will find lib, and you will find cos, file upload, and struts. Okay, these are the jars. You need to take the help of these jars: cos, file upload, and struts.jar. Okay guys, upload bean.jar. Okay, fine. Then we shall see about now creating Java web application. Before going to create, let me finish this stuff. So when you download, just extract this compressed file. You'll find these jars. Upload bin jar is the main jar file, followed by cos.jar and struts.jar. Cos.jar and struts.jar are dependent jar file for upload bin. So since the classes and interfaces of uploadbean.jar are using the classes and interfaces of cos.jar and struts.jar files, so we can say cos.jar and struts.jar files are dependent jar files to uploadbean.jar. Okay, fine. So how can I able to create the upload component or upload widget into my HTML form page? So to create upload, you can take the help of, so form page can supply file uploading component to the end user to select the files from the client machine file system by using, so this is the label up to here label, and after this file input type file. So this is the tag, input type tag you have to use. So while performing file uploading, make form page sending post method post methodology based on request, and you have to mention the encryption type multi-part form data in form tag. We have to mention encryption type, that is multi-part form data, and the method type is post. So multi-part form data gives the instruction to the server that this form page send multiple types of data along with the request like audio file, image, video, text. Okay, fine. So let us create the Java web application, and which contains deployment ID structure. Let me copy this context root name. Go to Java web application. Sorry, go to NetBeans, file, new project. So Java web application. Next, so 65 upload up download web app. Hit the next button. So here I'm going to use JW5. Next, finish. So meanwhile let it finish. So let me go to my practice programs, advanced Java. So let's scroll down, and file uploading in solids. So guys, web flip cos struts you can find here. Let me delete this desktop shortcut, cos struts and upload bin, as well as yes, that is more than enough. That is more than enough. Okay, fine. And this is my upload solid, cos.jar, struts.jar, and uploadbean.jar. Okay guys, fine. So this is my index.jsp. Currently I'm not interested to work with index.jsp, so I want to remove this index.jsp. So minimize and remove this index.jsp, delete. Yes, I have deleted. I won't delete. And under this web pages, I want to add the form page name upload1, upload1.html. Okay, so copied. So right click on web pages, new, HTML, Control A, Control V, upload, hit the finish. So guys, so let me use some more decorative work under this. So title, okay, fine. Remove this, and simply I want to use Java web application, to perform file uploading and downloading. Okay guys, so let me keep everything in center. Then let me add here h2 tag, then h1. Let me end here h1. Let me use some more break tag here. Okay guys, under this h2, let us work with now. Let us create the Java web application. So upload1.html, so as well as download. So I need form tag here. So form tag, under this form tag, let me add here action. So form tag. So as I said, let me use the method type. You need to use add any cost post method, and I'm using action here, TURL, test URL, and the name you can use any name your wish. Providing name is optional, no matter. And encryption type, so I want to use here multipart slash form hyphen data. Okay, fine. And here I'm going to use select file1, and you can use input type. So here you can select your file, then you can go for name, upload file1, then end of input tag, you can go for break tag and select here. So upload file 2, select file 2. Okay, fine. Java operation to perform different file uploading, different types of file uploading. Okay, fine. Okay guys, so form tag, so select file 1, select file 2, upload file 1, file 2, select file 1, file 2, and here I need input type, submit, and you can use the values. Let me use the value upload files to server. Okay, fine boss. So this is my form tag, and this is my upload1.html. so let me configure web.xml. so where are it? 64, right? Not this. So this is not web.xml file. Here, so scroll down, web.xml. Under this, let me write here upload1.html. upload1.html. so here you can see upload1, upload upload1.html. so added here. So this is done. We need to add the servlet. Okay guys, so before going to add the servlet, so add the jars to libraries. So add all jar to libraries, so these are the jars: cos file upload, cos struts and uploadbean.jar. Okay, fine. So already I extracted and I kept here in this lib. I will use this path. So go to libraries, right click, add jar. I think I need to move in this way. Study, go to practice programs. So advanced Java, go to solids, and you will find upload, file uploading in solid. File uploading in solid. So I think it's hang. Then after working with these applications, we shall see filters, then filters counting the numbers, then security, then filter checking the performance, then we shall see security JSP also. Oh, hang. So guys, upload bean struts cos. So you'll see here, open with the WinRAR, and they will find Java's home upload, and the main class is multipart form data request. So this is the main class, multipart form data request. And one more main class you'll find here, that is upload file, and upload file takes the help of upload beans. Okay, contains getter and setter methods. Actually libraries, so just remove. Actually I want to use one by one, but it has added all. Removing libraries. Yes, removed. So right click, add jar, and scroll. So double click classes sleep 1 2 3. Okay, so cos.jar, struts.jar, and uploadbean.jar. Hit the open. So it's taking too much time. So you can see here cos.jar, struts.jar, and uploadbean.jar. Okay guys, fine. So you'll find here Apache Tomcat and all the jars. So it's a time to add the servlet. It's time to add the servlet. Where is the servlet? Here is upload servlet. So we'll add this servlet, copy, and go to source package, right click, new, servlet. So here upload servlet, hit the next, hit the finish. So before going to, okay, finish, we'll change the URL. So go to upload, and here I mentioned TURL. So copy this TURL, copy, go to web.xml. So here is upload srv1. So simply paste TURL, okay, and save. Control S, saved. Go to upload srv. So delete, and anyhow I added the jars. So fine. So I got response print writer, and then we shall proceed for writing the logic now, the try blocks. So here let me go for upload bin. So upload bin, that is java zoom dot upload bin. So you let me use upb, new upload bin. I got upload bin object, then upload bin dot, let me set the folder to store. Let me create the folder to store. Suppose I want to store somewhere. Where should I store? Guys? Then we shall create a folder here in D drive, my store and files, my store files. So I want to use this file. Okay, fine. So use this path, right click, copy, and so here paste. Okay guys, so here is D drive files. Okay, fine. Okay boss, so upload folder store. What's the problem? Must be called or declared to be thrown. So let me handle the exception by using catch, and here is finally. So exception e dot print stack trace, e dot print stack, otherwise let me show directly. Okay guys, fine. On to server console also. So here out.println, here I gave the locations. So now let me upload beans dot. I want to override, so set override. So let me use false. Okay, fine. So let me here we are specifying the destination location. So specify specify the destination folder on the server location, file server machine location file system. Okay guys, so here I mentioned and I am written as a false. So after this, let us create a parser. Create a parser for parsing form data. So I need multi-part data request. Multi-part form data request. So you use n request, then new multi-part form data request, and here I'll pass my request object, request reference. So here I got request. Now upload file bin. Let me store. You can use store and request. Okay, fine. Then so this represents all uploading files. Okay, fine. This represents all uploading files, and here then let us complete the file uploading. All you are completed file uploading now, and then sorry. Okay guys, now so here completes the file uploading. So it's time to display the names. So display the names of uploaded files. And here let me use out.println, and here use center, and so here break tag, and under this break tag let me use here h1, and I want to show the dynamic form page, that is files are uploaded. The names of uploaded files. Okay, here break tag, and so here is break tag and here is horizontal row. Okay guys, so after this let me get the hash table. Hash table, let me use here ht. So n request dot get files, get the files. Okay guys, so here I got hash table. So this hash table gives all the uploaded files, all the uploaded files. Okay, fine. In the form of key value pair. Okay guys, so next now I need to get enumeration. So we want to write the logic, so let's write the logic. You are writing the logic to display the names of uploaded files. Okay guys, so I need enumerations. So enumerations, so e, and here is my hash table dot get elements. So here I got all the elements. Then let me iterate now by using while loop. So iterate while, so e dot has more elements. So here I'm iterating now. So upload file, so f1. So let me get here e dot next element, but here I think I need to typecast to upload file. So here I typecasted now. Then let me display the file names by using out.println. So here how can I display? Okay, fine. File name is, so here is space and here is, let me use here f1 dot get file name, then plus double quote. Let me use here break tag, semicolon. That's it. This is my end of while. Okay guys, so then out.println line exceptions, end of catch block, end of finally. Then file names are there. Then after this okay guys, so here I mentioned break. Let me write here your files are saved or uploaded successfully to server file system. Okay guys, so fine, let me run this application for uploading first. So go to projects, right click, run. So it's a time to run and test the application. Java evolution to perform different types of file uploading and downloading. So I think let me create some text file, new, new, and here's text file, my file, my file. Okay. So here let me write the contents. Example Java web app. Save. Save. My file.txt. My file.txt. So this is file. Okay, fine. And is there any JPEG file? Is there JPEG or any PNG file? Yes, you can find here. Control C, Control V. I will use this file F2 map image, maps image. Okay, so I want to upload these two files. You can see here I want to upload these two files. So this is the image, this is the image. Okay, fine, and this is the file. Okay guys, so let us upload. So select file, go to desktop, and my text file, open. And what is second file name? That is maps file. So you can see here my file.txt, cancel, and maps file. So maps image, open. Okay, so just look at here, this is your server locations, my store. So it doesn't contain anything, that we have provided the file path, to storage locations. So here specify the destination folder on the server machine to location. So here D files. Okay, fine. So let me perform here first file. Where is my browser? So upload files to server. So files are uploaded, the names of the file uploaded are, so file name is mapsimage.jpg and file name is myfile.txt. So go to that folder. So you can see here, so 5/1/20 7:51 a.m. so it's time, so this is the time. Okay, fine, and myfile.txt. So let me open with the notepad. So this is the content. Okay, fine, and this is the content. So close, and this is the image. This is the image. Okay, fine. So this is the way you can able to upload. So you can see the confirmation message. So your files are saved, uploaded successfully to server file system, myfile.txt and maps image.jpg. So like this you can upload a number of files. So let me go back. Let me search for any other files. Suppose this is my XML file. Another file I want to upload, jar file, mysql-java-connector-bean.jar. Open. Okay, fine. Next I want to upload somewhat like aerial frame Hubli. Okay, upload files to server. So you can see here polyline.jpg and mysql connector-java. So let me go to files. So this is my mysql connector and aerial frame. Okay, fine. So you can see this file. Okay guys, so these are the two files. One is connector, this is jar file, this is the jar file, Java executable Java archives. So this is the way that you can able to upload the files. So let's see now download. Let us see now downloading. Okay, fine. So I want to download. So guys, to download simply I can give the Control Shift W. Okay, fine. So guys, this is the code to work with file download. Web lib. I don't need any files. So file downloading. Open with the plus. So Control Shift W. I need to mention the files. Okay. You can work with those files. Okay guys, this we shall see next time because it's already late. So guys, to work with file downloading, so run and test the applications. So let me add one note point for you. So jar files in class path, if you are working manually, you need to add those jars, solid-api.jar and uploadbean.jar. When web resource programs of Java web application uses third-party API like Java Zoom API, then third-party API related main jar files should be added to class path like uploadbean.jar, as well as main and dependent jar files to be added to the libraries directory of web applications. Now we shall see about file downloading. Okay, fine.